Just the process, the mama whiskey. Alright, we're back here. This is the second store we came to. Joanne. So you can find the fabric. Boy, we're in a whole ass pandemic and this boy forgets his mask. So we have the fabrics here. Trying to look for this one, but I think he wants black. Let's see, something like this, but no. I'm trying to find black. Oh, some avocado one too. This will be lit. We'll see right now. I think this is it. This is the one we get. The black headliner right here. Let's go take it over there. And it said headliner right there too. We're dumb. Thank you. You going towards the adhesive glue? Let's see if we find it. Yeah, it's right here. Oh. I missed my truck. All right, now we're gonna go back to the house, go get it cut, the new headliner, and fix it right here. Cause it's bad. Put this right here. Shove in there, see if you... Let's see if we actually fix it with this. It's gonna look good, huh? All black. This is that cut, G.
See that mullet?
Next step, cleaning it off. They have it like this. So we get all this adhesive out of there. Or, I don't know what this is. Little pelusas. Take it off. We'll see right now. Update, little update. Got a wire brush and then a metal wire brush, but on a drill. I'm using one too. 50% of it done. Look at that. Alright guys, so now we're done. Use the drill and the wire brush right there. Got most of it out. Well, like 89%. But now we just gotta clean it up a little bit more, and then we should start spraying the adhesive on. And then we got the cardboard, or whatever this is, fiberglass. But I don't know. For the headliner, we're gonna cover it all. Start shaking the bottle, and then just mold it, glue it on there, and just hold it real good. A little process, but we'll get it done right.
spider webs.
Sit up, hey. You sit up, hey. You sit up, hey. You sit up, hey. You. Sit up, hey. You sit up, hey. You sit up, hey. You like the cool
Say hi,
blue
Frankie, to some people. What's up?
like the cool blue light, 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 like the cool blue light. Sit up, hey.
Almost done here. But the other side.
Sit up, hey. Sit up, hey.
So we can stretch it from this side?
Too. Some tacos. At night, decided to paint these interior pieces. Got them all primered up. Second day of recording. It's like 5 in the afternoon already. They're still spray painting over there. The dog. So we got these spray painted already last night. Let them dry overnight. And then we got the headliner in. Unfortunately, I wasn't here for that, but they got it in. Look at that. Yeah, nice. All right, so here it is with the light. Now you guys can see the headliner. Got the pillars. And then right here made the little holes for the sun visors, which he is gonna get wrapped black too. But yeah, guys, look at it. Looks nice. Black. Was pretty easy to do. Didn't need a lot of tools. For good is gonna stay on? There you go. You don't think we should have painted those black?
I do, but
You didn't want, Frankie didn't want
you
to?
have to paint all this black.
That's
before
true.
we-
Just leave one thing black and little by little. Nice. Look at the sunset, guys. Arizona sunsets. Beautiful. We got the homie right here, Frankie. He's gonna put his park right here, or his truck right here. I told him to park it. Get a little quick shot with this. The skies are always freaking dope here, so might as well use them when they're home. Oh, even there, that looks freaking sick. Turn on your lights.
Never mind, turn them off.
I told you. The editor, the photo shoot.
I bet. Let's see how this turns out.
Let's see the photo shoot. Let's see.
Not gonna be ready completely.
You're good, you're good. Camera cut. Have to wait. Let's see.
Not done.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna be ready.
It's already late at night. But we got our Milwaukee M3 light. So we can see the interior real quick. Last final interior. Final thoughts. There you go, guys. It a little bit looks like Sway, but it's headliner. I'll show you guys. He is gonna be upgrading to that 10 LED sooner or later, he said. But other than that, all those little parts got painted black. And yeah, guys, so if you guys did like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to comment down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.